we so shito no eni nti wo hwe we nyina on like video ade obehia emu bia wo eye okay me ba be yusu jene nso na me wo garlic miensa eno so ha sei odi ye aduane na ye kama nti we de se wodi garlic de enyi free recipe we men komma be okosia ha spices e de be kan nso wa okay nti okosia for de wo ha sei ye fa chansi bia wo pe na mo no me kan fo chansi ama ya na ye ton obi a wato bibia di ho adanse me di be nua mu wo live stream mi wi amatete na wa hu no bo osmenia mu a na ahye mama emuni nyina aka ase me srew faako ubenya no original on betty.com ye gold handle ni nyina so ne nsa nya hye we masomija eja nesi so so ahu anti fanwa bi a wo pe na mo pa chance ade aduane we sama aduane na ye dede a ene faako so ahu Ghana ye obi wo ho no ya name si ni nkran wo ho na Kumasi nso wo ho ti ba bia pe bia wo sabeka ti anwana me de agu mo no masomija no so ahu na afi wodi wujene na watwitwa no e pa cho segu mama ma jene no eno so sane man na we akese mienu so wodi ene nso so apa cho family nsa na enan pacho sane jene ne ye no o caramelize no okay ti baby aye dre so ahu na afi wodi wo garlic no so ahu na nwe ni garlic no on che so nche Cameraman, you are on the go.
That's right.
So I'm saying, I would the share or garlic meshasia and no a chibe a ship. Now, Faye, what the Omona was one of them. Now, dear, yeah, chicken spice blending. So, I found 1 teaspoon and the chicken spice blending. And I weigh a madras curry. And I want him, but 2 teaspoons in it. A simple recipe, but we are. Wow, that's it. Say, answer me so soon, come on. Yeah, come on, my higher than.
Koyi mama. Koyi.
Say, no. And chain it, the one I be who and chain qua, we hear. One meeting you ever come. Not quite. Yeah, na me say how you sham no.
Koyi mama.
And me say be out if you so na me need chicken spice blend na for spice be out pe e kan. Once you so I share na me give for na fe near me wa ha say your turmeric and turmeric so na de kakra gum to give you that vibrant color no open into non turmeric so are very healthy so into aba ani no sane open ne dia turmeric no obetumi de carry na ye but eno be ma as a woody curry rice menya mesa Messi ehwa no na ne de Jesus line no mama eya afafa chance ni ti ni so sei na chese no uyi chance na chese wo chance na so ubi abetu no 100 times kura e wa ha sei look at that me dia ne ma bebre meche ahihye ne fefefe oto na person no mi ebi cha e wo ho expiry date bibia everything is done properly Zara what I come I was here for the battle chance ya need more dance ya ma name you the chance name ye so one more and necessary your ma boy yedne now mu nyina hye basa da bi o enye ye patwe ni ni etiti ni nyina Cameraman.
That's right for me.
Cameraman.
That's right for
It's
me.
one or koye. Ah, look
Beautiful,
at that.
beautiful.
Look at that. And to wear Uncosia and now we a Jane Metritra kiki. Kitwebi. Upebi kitwebi. About one or so. Pepper chop fat, chicken spice blend no. Fa kitwebi he kitty. Na ade a wo de chi Uncosia. Okay, we Marjorie na me isu. Nti fa Uncosia ni bi. Na fa salad kakra. So, nti mo fa na de ato. Hey, enumodafo. Nti enumode betumi eje. Na shito e dia machira shito recipes bebre wo so. Yay. Nti fish na uhu wo so no. Hey, shito spice blend no. And I'm the grill na kakra e kan ho fish no. And I'm the mix na me the olive oil egu ho. Na me marinate see hot 3 days. Na me the ashe grill. Eno a kekemanya ne hwe. Aha, we so shito no eni. And to show when you now like video. Sister Bradia Pan Mayo.
Guys, you know what they say, good things come to those who wait. I haven't eaten fufu for so many years because of health reasons. Now, thanks to original Mama Betty oat plantain fufu, I can now enjoy healthy fufu. It's so quick to prepare in 3 easy steps. Pour into pre-measured boiling water, stir and mold. And guess what? The price is so pocket friendly. Bon appetit!
Good afternoon.
I practice a patrol.
Asamo. We didn't come here.
We didn't miss a while. Never to Oban, who Obi Nicholas.
Debbie.
Open the summer, small Musomo Banchi. Anybody and finance to have you.
And if you are bay, would a suman croak and go for chinico banchi or the any monkey, and you will see just on what they go.
I send the idea that I am.
And a sister media summer CEO. Wait, original Mama Betty recipe. And if for up Pegaswa, and no minimum bustia, that day you did that. Old plantain fufu, Abegasu. You know UK, yes.
Old plantain.
And you're probably I was half for him. And in Nipabia or a year diabetic patient, no, half of way a year man, or maybe also some much ambroso, no, or this half for is a year man promoting. What way, some percent you're ready for one, I go, not starting into Oakasia. Old plantain fufu from Mama Betty recipe, no, a year more, papa. Yeah, we didn't only see just all the Kuma 5 minutes, okay, Kuma, and all
5 minutes.
5 solid minutes.
Hey, you listen to the other point when I'm a banner, you are made.
Ubeti. When coming home, you call your papa, you want to say, and then next sister, for me, good for me and competitive. Pain. Sister, you never answer you. Never for you. Oh, somebody. And you're not original Mama Betty old plantain. El Koye.